Good morning or evening, I guess, depending on where you're watching this. I got to watch a conversation yesterday happen in regards to what somebody wanted or didn't want, I should say, and what a group of people did want. It was fascinating. It got a little bit sassy, a little bit confrontational. And as I sat there to watch, just as an observing eye and somebody who pays attention to communication, coaches people in this, I was trying to see what exactly happened. Afterwards, I got to talk to the guy who kind of caused the confrontation. And well, I guess he's the one who initially started it. And I guess after talking to him, he got upset when the man who was leading the meeting made a statement of I'm not going to do that. I don't want to do that, or it's not going to happen. Something along those lines. And that irritated this guy because in the this attendee of the meeting, because in another statement he said that it was about us. It was about the attendees. It's about the people who showed up and who were paying for booths at a trade show. And what he did next is he posed a hypothetical question, and then he got the guy. He got the man leading the meeting standing up in front of all of us. He not intentionally, but he got a gotcha on him. And at that moment, I watched the man leading the meeting feel defensive. You could see his body language, his language changed quite a bit, and he got real defensive. And that situation allowed for this back and forth of what was could have been a really great conversation to not really progress and go anywhere. Then it also aroused other people in the meeting, and then it never really got better. And nothing was ever resolved. We never got to a forward movement of how we could make this better for the attendees of this meeting and also the association. And it had me thinking more about it had me think a lot just about like how can we set ourselves up when we're in conversations with others on on how to make it productive and gotcha questions. I'm guilty of that. I used to do this a lot. I watch a lot of people debate, and I see the gotcha questions. They're not helpful. It might feel good in the moment, and I could tell for that when I was talking to the guy who posed the gotcha question, it felt good for him, but it's not helpful. And I think as humans, it just makes us defensive. It makes us want to. It puts us back on the hills, and then it's hard to overcome that. If you are a guy or a gal who does gotcha questions, think about if that's really helpful or not. If you're doing it to have fun, sure, have fun with it. But if you're trying to actually move a conversation forward and try to get some decent results out of that, then stop with the gotcha questions.